There are lots of stories that feature monsters, but one of my favourite books features this little monster. And There is a Monster in Your Book by Tom Fletcher, illustrated by Greg Abbott. Oh no, there's a monster in your book. Let's try to get him out. Shake the book and turn the page. Can we get him out? Can we? What do you think? Nice try. That knocked him over, but he's still in your book. Tickle his feet and turn the page. Should we tickle, 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 tickle? That didn't work. He's just laughing and he's still in your book. Try blowing him away. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. We'll have to try again. Blow really hard and turn the page. That's better. Now he's far away, but he's still in your book. Tilt the book to the left. Oh, now he's over here, but he's still in your book. So if we tilt it to the right, is he still there, do we think? He's hanging on. What a naughty little monster. Give the book a good wiggle. So we'll give our book a wiggle. Okay, now he's back over there, but there's still a monster in your book. Try spinning the book round and round. Ooh, will this get rid of our monster in our book? What do we think? He's dizzy. Quick, make a loud noise. Stamp your feet. It's working. He's running away. Make that noise again. But so keep stamping your feet. Louder. So make it as loud as you can. He's gone. There isn't a monster in your book anymore. Now he's in your room. Quickly call him back. Monster, come back. Let's try that together. Ready? And monster, come back. Look, here he is. He's coming back. Keep calling him. Monster, come here, little monster. Monster, come here, little monster. Phew. He's back in your book. You don't want a monster loose in your room. This book is probably the best place to keep him. Monster, you can stay here in this book. Stroke Monster's head and say good night. Good night, Monster. Oh, look, he's all sleepy now. Shh, look, he's fast asleep. Gently close the book so he doesn't wake up. Now, have a look at your favourite books and see if you can make them come to life by jiggling them up and down, wriggling the pages, tickling their toes. Who knows what might happen? Maybe you might even have a monster loose in your room.